Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll teach you how to play Vita Mahjong for beginners, that is step by step. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to play Vita Mahjong, and it is for beginners. So don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's get started. Open the app and choose the box. Simply open your Vita Mahjong app first and simply start a level. The levels will directly pop up on your screen like this. Simply click on the level right here. Now you will see tiles stacking in different patterns and understand the rules. The goal is to match pairs of identical tiles to clear the board. One tile that are free on at least one side and not covered by another tile can be matched. As you can see here, simply click the ones that are on the top and they will match instantly. If you are getting stuck somewhere, you can use this hint button at the bottom of the screen right here. Vita Mahjong gives you 3 free hints, and you can also use the shuffle to reshuffle your tiles on the screen or on the board. Simply plan your moves to try to clear top layers and edge first to unlock more tiles and avoid getting stuck. Keep practicing. The more you play, the faster you will spot pairs and complete boards. As you can see here, I also spotted a one right here. And that's it guys. Follow these steps and you will be able to play Vita Mahjong like a pro in no time. This is a very beginner friendly guide, so make sure you follow these steps as well. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner guides, and let me know in the comment section which board pattern you find the trickiest. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.